Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be breaking down another variation of the jackknife Saida that's going to be going into a shadow position entry. We have a lot of moves for shadow position, but this is just a way to get into it from a jackknife position, or it could be a push of a men's Saida, but I like using it from this particular position because it kind of creates an extra dynamic. So we will start with the woman's Saida, making the connection with my right, in and bringing the follow forward as we've done in the other jackknife Saida variations. So now coming across here, since I have connection with the follower's right, with my right, so it's right to right, we can use this to flip the follow around. So I'll bring her around, and then she's going to rock step, walking forward here. And now I can walk forward. I can play around with leg pushes. I have a lot of options at this point. The goal of the video is just getting you here, and then we can come out. But in the follow along, we brought the follow down a step. And then you saw me kind of collect my my right foot with my left. So I brought that in as the follow executed the tic-tac-toe to come around and step on her left. And then I can come side and collect. So one more time, facing this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, push the leg and around. When I am indicating that step through the follow for the leads, I'm bringing the follow through here on the front, through here. And as I bring this around, my right hand is already here on the cheek magnet. So I'm going to actually slide that down to her waist to catch where the hip is going. And I'm going to use that to redirect where the follow is going. So when she starts to put weight on her left, I'm kind of doing the same thing. We take a step forward. And then again, I'm pulling that right foot in as I'm leading this tic-tac-toe. So take a look at her footsteps. She's kind of coming in. And then my left foot is ready to catch her in that lane and come across and home.
So there's a couple things for the follows. The first is paying attention to those lanes as he's turning you through the move. So here we're being conscious of our side to side. And then also as he turns me around, we're staying in that same line to step out here. And then we continue in this direction, going straight. And then again, we turn, we're still in that same line, and now we're coming back. So pay attention to that so you're staying kind of in that T shape only.
And I also think it's important for the followers when they feel that connection on the right foot to maintain that connection, especially here. Because if we disconnect here, then we're missing that connection. And you don't want to disconnect and then have to reconnect again. So keeping that connection here on the right will allow me to push my follow out to the side. And then here follows just being sensitive to the direction of where the leader is turning you. We came forward. And then here, I'm just kind of like giving that intention. So follows, I think, really important here with their footwork to have the tic-tac-toe intention to come around, close, and connect. Yes?
Another thing for the follows, it can be a little awkward to go from facing all the way around to facing this way instead of just doing a 180 turn. So it's important to be conscious of his frame and when he's actually blocking you. Don't assume how far you're turning. So I continue that momentum that he gave me. He's turning me this way until I actually feel him block me with both of his arms to stop facing this direction.
And leaders, that means that you have to be intentional with that rotation to give the follow space and then choose the direction that you want. And that's when you kind of like choose, and then you can start to play around in that direction. So it's really, really important to not just go through the move and then not be intentional about the rotation, because if you just do this and then this is not intentional, she's not going to know where she's going to turn. Yeah. But yes, that should be the move for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.